In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for music. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system that takes you from songwriting all the way to release day without losing track of anything. Start by opening Asana and creating a new project. Choose blank project so you can tailor it to your process. Give it a clear name, like Music Production 2025, Album, Midnight Waves, or Singles and Releases. Next, pick the layout that fits your style. Board view is great if you like a visual, stage-based workflow, while list view keeps everything clean and detail-focused. Either way works. Choose what you'll actually use. Now set up your workflow stages. If you're using a board, create columns that mirror the life cycle of a song. Start with songwriting for things like lyrics drafts, melody ideas, and demo recordings. Move to production for beat making, arrangement, and editing. Then add mixing for version 1, revisions, and the final mix, followed by mastering for your first master and a streaming ready version. Include release prep to handle cover art, distribution uploads, your marketing plan, and teaser videos. Finally, add a released column where you move tasks once they're done. If you prefer list view, create sections with these same names. Create a task for each song, for example, single, Lost in Time. Inside that task, add subtasks to capture your checklist. Write lyrics, record vocals and harmonies, produce the instrumental, mix and master, submit to your distributor, prepare promo images, and upload to Spotify Canvas. Add fields for priority, status, and deadline so you can sort and filter quickly as the project grows. Keep everything in one place by attaching files directly to tasks. Upload MP3 or wave demos, lyrics documents, screenshots of mixes, cover art drafts, and any reference tracks. Just click Attach and choose files from your computer or cloud storage. If you're working with a team, assign tasks to the right roles like producer, artist, vocalist, mix engineer, graphic designer, or manager. Use comments to keep feedback in context, such as asking for a chorus revision or noting that a new mix is ready to review. For release planning, set up a dedicated release calendar project or section. Add tasks for choosing a release date, uploading to your distributor, writing captions, creating social content, submitting to Spotify playlists, and sending materials to blogs or PR. Switch to timeline view to map everything out and spot bottlenecks. To save time, add rules. You might set mixing tasks to default to high priority, automatically move a song into mastering when all subtasks are complete, and send reminders as deadlines approach. Custom fields can capture music-specific details like song key, BPM, version, and release status. If you also handle promotion, create a separate music content calendar to schedule teasers, behind-the-scenes clips, live performance updates, music video milestones, and Canvas uploads. Finally, track your progress. The dashboard gives you quick analytics, timeline shows the overall flow, and calendar view keeps recording sessions and release dates visible. With this setup, your music pipeline stays organized, collaborative, and on schedule.